Hawaon Kaha. Hawaon.
That sounds very. That sounds more. Hey guys, Jason Catron here.
Carlos Santiago.
Oh, I love how you say that. And we are Vocal Lab Collective. Wow, this international component to the Vocal Lab is like very like, it's like sexy. It's mysterious. It is intriguing. Yeah. It is interessante.
It is vigorous.
Oh my God. I think I need to like start an OnlyFans.
Yeah. Oh,
like,
God.
oh God, what is happening? This is amazing. Carlos, how's your day?
It's been going great.
You know, Carlos is being like healthy and drinking water. I'm being healthy and drinking wine.
It's great for the stomach.
Like Jesus did.
Mm-hmm. Sure did.
He sure did.
Yeah.
I'm closer to Jesus because of the wine.
And if a miracle happens, I could also be closer.
But you're way more hydrated. Hey, we are excited that you guys are here. Listen, we want you to join the Patreon. We're getting subscribers every week, which is super exciting and fun. We're going to do more and more and more there. The more it grows, the more we do.
The more you...
Wait, is that what you told your fiance?
Oh.
Oh God, I didn't say that out loud.
Hello?
I'm just saying, the more that you guys hit up Patreon.
Yes, I'm here in Nashville. I have an intruder in my thoughts. Can you please send some help?
Are you calling a priest?
No.
Hey, we're just saying we want you on Patreon. Join us there. It's a lot of fun.
And if you don't want to spend, you should.
Yeah, if you don't want to do that, you don't have to.
Come here.
It's really,
here.
and at the end of the day, if you don't want to give us anything and just want to watch, cool.
We watch it.
We're here.
We love you.
We're here.
Be here.
We're here.
Be with us.
We are here. Are you here?
I'm
here. I'm here.
Is this a simulation?
Hey, what are we watching today? Let's do
We
this.
are watching Hawaon Kaha.
Wow, I don't even know what's
I don't
happening.
know. I probably butchered that, and I'm so sorry. But this seems like
It's from a movie, right?
It's from a movie from
Yes.
the early 2000s.
Okay.
The Y2Ks.
Okay, this is another recommendation, so we're really excited to see this.
Looks fun.
It looks fun. It's very dramatic in all its ways. Here we go, Carlos Santiago.
I'm in already.
I mean, just the colors, the drama. I think you have that suit and collar. Oh! Oh.
Oh no, you went the other way. Oh!
Are there subtitles?
Oh, let me look. No!
No subtitles. Oh.
Hey,
That's your dance move on the. I've seen you do that at a wedding. A wedding, Carlos did this.
Oh.
Oh, sick. Oh, all right. Whoa.
My knees hurt just looking at this.
I mean, that's so cool.
That's probably the only move I can do. Oh, right there.
Oh, I got this hip thrust. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh, kick!
What? Okay, that's insane.
I need to know, why did he grab her hand?
Yeah, I think he's nervous that this guy's gonna take her away.
He might. I mean, he already did.
Oh, she's looking away. She can't look.
Oh,
She knows what's happening.
what is happening to her?
These dance moves are insane. What?
What is
What is
happening?
that? What is that?
I literally just tore my meniscus looking at that. I'm out for 6 to 8 weeks.
I don't know how you did that.
I love this. Hey. Oh. No, she looked up. She missed all those moves beforehand.
She missed the good stuff.
Is this the third or fourth wardrobe change?
I think the fourth.
That's a come hither shoulder.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. I mean, this is the hardest woo in the world. He is wooing her so hard.
It's like, here, have a snack mid rave. Oh.
What was that?
Her
Mango?
snack. She dropped. Oh yeah, maybe it might have been. That's another move I can do. I'm just trying to collect them.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, yeah.
Hey. What? She looks so terrified. Oh. This is so intense, I love it. She ran away.
He's there.
Dance!
How did he get there? Oh, no!
Are those onion rings?
I think they are. Actually, I would love an onion ring right now. Can we have some onion rings?
Okay.
Or they're bangles.
Yeah. That's so cool. This is so much fun. Oh, I love that.
That was so intense. That was so intense. Like,
right, go.
How did he get in the room? Number one, he was on the stage. How did she deny him for so long?
Yes.
That tension. I mean, I was ready to say yes. It was like the tension was so insane.
We'll always say yes to onion rings.
And then they got those BK or Sonic onion rings, you know? Like, God, I would kill for an onion ring right now after watching that.
Oh my gosh.
That's my takeaway. I just want an onion ring.
He certainly burned enough calories.
He sure did. He could eat all the rings he wants.
Oh my gosh.
But like, oh my gosh, how cool was that? The dance. The drama,
the colors,
the dynamic, the colors, the
baby
vibe.
Gap shirt.
Yes,
it's so tiny. On
yes, like, and not to mention the vocal was spot on.
Yeah,
like,
it was great.
That was so good, so good,
and so cool with this is very kind of unique of kind of that Bollywood aesthetic of the quick slapback echo. So it's like you hear the voice and then you immediately hear it echo. And that's just kind of part of the sound.
It is part of the sound.
And so it was really cool. But, you know, obviously you hear the little pharyngeal stuff, you know, when he does that. Like, I mean,
nice.
He's locked in. Yeah, there's more of that on Patreon. No, I'm kidding. But there might be. I don't know. You will never know unless you go.
Unless you go.
But yeah, so I don't know. I think it's really cool. You know, I tell everyone that the doctor told me that I'm down to my last 99 knee bends. So I can only bend my knees 99 more times before they stop working. And so...
What kind of doctor do you go to?
I don't know.
I've never heard that.
You've never, like, you don't go to doctors in, like, Antioch?
They don't know what that means. They don't know what that means.
Yeah, if you want to know.
A doctor limits your knee bends?
Oh, no. It's just like they're from too much, you know, exercise and too much running and too much. Everything hurts all the time. See, I keep now 98, 97, 96. Now I'm uneven. Now I'm uneven.
What happens when you don't have any more? You just can't walk?
I'm just going to like be like this the whole time.
You need a new doctor. You need a new doctor. Because I've never heard that in my life.
I need some Hawaon.
That is weird.
Some Hawaon Kaha.
Hi. You need patches.
Yeah,
what you need.
Patches.
Yeah, this was fantastic.
It's so cool.
So good.
It was so fun.
Yeah, let us know in the comments what you think. Tell us your thoughts about the video, about us. Not about us, because unless it's not affirming, beautiful words for... Yeah, because that never happens. It's all hate. It's all hate.
No, y'all are lovely people.
No, you're lovely people.
But keep it
We
casual
love you.
in the comments.
Yes, exactly. Hey, until next time.
Next time.
Yeah, we're gonna just drink water and wine, and
I don't know. The miracle might have happened by now.
I think it did. And I'm Jesus in this play.
Oh gosh, I want to be like Jesus.
You are the sinner.
I am total chief of sinners.
That's why you. Here we go.
No.
Until next time, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm gonna drink this water.
Because you are
Carlos.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective.
Collective.
Cheers.